This guide will help you enable audio desync in Minecraft for a unique gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust your audio settings effectively. Step 1. Open Minecraft. Launch the Minecraft game on your computer. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access Settings. From the main menu, click on the Options button. This will take you to the game settings where you can adjust various options. Step 3. Navigate to Audio Settings. In the Options menu, look for the Music and Sound section. Click on this option to access the audio settings where you can make changes to sound effects and music. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. Within the audio settings, you may find options to adjust the volume of different audio components. To enable audio desync, try lowering the volume of the music or sound effects to create a noticeable delay. Step 5. Test your changes. After adjusting the audio settings, return to the main game and test the audio. Wait for a few minutes to see if the audio desync effect is noticeable and adjust further if necessary. Now you can enjoy your Minecraft experience with audio desync enabled. Experiment with different settings to find the perfect balance for your gameplay.